The problem is here, and the
Yeah.
1 inch pipe.
1 inch. Yeah. Okay. All right. Well,
Yeah.
that's the pipe that we did, isn't it?
No. This
No?
is what you did.
Oh,
This
No,
is
that's hot. It just dripped on my hand. That's
that-
hot water.
Yeah, but this is 1 inch. The shade, the one.
Oh,
you
that
said
was
is
three-quarter. Three-quarter. Yeah.
Is
yeah,
this?
Yeah. Oh,
this
yeah.
is
Yeah.
the
Yeah,
return valve.
yeah. I got you. Yeah, you're right.
It's the return valve, and this is the water supply.
Yeah.
I put this one, but they don't stop. I put this one this morning to wait for you.
Was it a burst pipe or what?
Uh,
Pretty bad.
which one?
That one.
No,
wasn't
there's
bad?
a small leak. It's really small.
All right. I assume I need to go turn the water off. Yeah.
Shouldn't the water off?
Is the gate unlocked right there?
Huh?
The gate's unlocked.
It's unlocked.
Okay.
I'm gonna clean this front.
Okay.
If tomorrow I have an inspection. Oh, what time is the inspectors here?
So this building is a 16 unit. And it used to be, this is kind of a ghetto area of mid-city LA, but it used to be a motel. And they switched it to apartments. And there's just endless issues over here. Place is a crap hole, I gotta be honest. This is one of the worst buildings I work in. Got a weed dispensary right here. And you have that building right there with all the PE pipe. That's a brand new, literally within the last month, brand new plumbing supply and fire suppression. But they have toilets, everything a plumbing supply would have, plus fire suppression stuff. And guess what? I actually have to go to that fire supply, plumbing supply right now. I don't have any 1-inch copper in here. I thought I did. Before we go over there, let's just make sure. So it increases to 1.25 inches right there. You get my Sawzall, cut that on the fitting. Alright, should be alright. So all the units have this. It's a stove and sink combined. Every unit in this building has it. You ever seen one of these? It's wild. You got your bathroom. Some of the units, this one's actually a bit larger, but some of the units have the shower right here. You enter the shower right here. It's crazy. It's actually these units right here. All right. Off to the plumbing supply we go. What? Oh, yeah. Right. All right, there you go. That thing was steady dripping the whole time. Very, very tiny drip, but would have made that very difficult to solder. Very difficult. And it's so hot in here, man. Oh my gosh, it is hot. All right, let's go turn the water back on. Bro, you're not gonna believe this. I can't get my light out of there. I just trapped my light in there in a $250 Milwaukee battery. Guess I'm just gonna have to leave it. That's kind of funny. It's just, this is what happens in plumbing. I literally can't get that out the way it is. If I take the battery off, I think I'll be able to get it out of there. Oh, whoops, let me turn off just turning the water on. No. Saved it. All right, wow, that's garbage pressure. Wow. All right, let's make sure there's no leaks. I don't see any leaks. What a joke, dude. If this was 5 o'clock and I was hungry, would that make me mad, dude? I would be cursing to high heaven. But it's my first job of the day, so I'm all good. All right, no leaks. I'm gonna actually record myself getting this out. All right, first step, turn that off. And then, oh, this would frustrate me so bad if it was 5 p.m. and I just Propress my light. I don't know, can you see that? There you go. Oh, are you kidding me? You gotta be kidding me. There you go. What a joke. It's just one of those things. Oh man. That would have made me so mad, I'm telling you. 5 o'clock on a Friday. Oh, man. Yep, all good.
Very good.
All good. That'll be $3,000. Yeah, I'm kidding. I was just joking. You want me to leave all this stuff right here?
Yeah. Yeah, because we want to put the drywall down.
I trapped my light in there. I had my light up there.
Mm-hmm.
I had to take it apart to get it out.
Oh, yeah.
Annoying.
Okay.
Here you go. You
open it. I'll bring my guy.
here's copper for you to scrap. If you want to scrap that, it's all you, man. It's all you.